we're going to make your goal tracker. So you already know, divider, database inline. Call this goals. I'll call it goals and rewards. And then you already know, let me scroll up. I don't want to see the title. I'm gonna rename this goals and rewards, and I'm going to change this to a target because it's a goal. Boom. And then let's rename some things. So goal, target. Let's give it some space so we can type. Let's do, this is going to be text because you need to know what your reward is. Every goal gets a reward. I want a trophy or a gift box, actually. Gift box. Okay, what's your reward? What's your goal? Let's do text. Oops, I don't want that. Deadline. And you know what? That's not text. That is date. And then accomplished. Same. We're gonna do a date. Accomplished. Let's do a trophy. Let's do timer. Oh wait, hold on. I like this one. Stopwatch. Okay. What else? What else? What else? I think that's it. Let me look at mine. We have a goal. Yeah, that's it. So let's do a sample. So let's say onboard 2 new clients. I'll say 2 coaching clients in June. Reward, ooh, Drake tickets. I already have the Drake tickets, so universe, bring me the clients. Deadline, it says in June, so June 30th. And then accomplished. So let's pretend we're in the future because you already know I'm going to accomplish this. Let's say that I accomplished this early to the game, June 14th. I want to make another view, duplicate, called accomplishments. So that way I can see all the things that I get done, right? But you see, I can see the same thing in each one. So firstly, I want to delete these useless ones. Gonna filter accomplished, advanced. Actually, hold on, I think we got it here. There we go, actually. Accomplished is empty. Hey, but where did it go? Oh, because it's not empty. Accomplished is empty, so that means that, you know, let's do another one. Call my mom. Reward, talk to my mom today. It's the deadline. So boom, it's still here because it hasn't been accomplished yet. Accomplishments, you see both because we still need to filter. Accomplished is not empty. It has an accomplished date. I want to see it here. And that's it. All done.